want to ask you about a couple of things today. The first one is the unemployment insurance tax relief bill that was passed, I believe, last week. What does that one do?
I'm really glad we took early action. Our business community has been so hard hit by this pandemic, and of course, it's no fault of their own. But one of the things they've had happen is huge increases of their unemployment insurance. So we wanted to act quickly before people get the bills in April to give them relief. And so it's a first step to help our business community. And on top of helping businesses, we're also helping workers, actually those who have been hardest hit, to make sure they're getting the unemployment benefits that they need to get through this difficult time. And again, these are just first steps. There's a lot more bills and actions we'll take this session to help both business and workers.
The next question I would like to ask you is about the big early action bill that was passed to the Senate recently.
Yes, we passed a package that was $2.2 billion to help direct federal dollars to where they're needed in our community.
So let's talk a little bit about the breakdown of these dollars. Talk to me about the chunk that goes to public health.
We invest a large amount of money actually to help the community, one, to make sure the vaccines are getting out readily, as well as the contact tracing and testing. And of course, those are key steps right now to help the community be safe and the economy reopen.
There is also a component for small businesses. Is this like grants?
We're doing business grants, and we know a lot of our small businesses in my community weren't able to get the federal dollars. So we want to make sure we're targeting these dollars in a way that help all of our business, including our women and minority-owned businesses, which maybe didn't get federal dollars initially.
And students are also included in this bill.
Yes, we want to make sure that our K-12 system gets resources they need to be supporting students during this online learning, and the steps necessary to get them back in the classroom.
There is also a part of this bill that goes to keeping people in their homes and keeping them fed. How does that work? And how does that relate to another one of your bills?
We know it's so important to keep people in their homes. And so we have investments that help renters and rent assistance. And we also have foreclosure prevention. Again, I've been working on expanding that protections to homeowners and as well as small landlords. And we're going to make sure those programs have the funding they need to help any homeowner in the state that's struggling. Additionally, the package provides relief to a number of areas. It supports people in long-term care, people with developmental disabilities, underinsured, or people with no insurance. Again, we want to reach out and help all Washingtonians.
Is there anything else you would like to add?
Well, I just really want to say I really appreciate all the emails I've received. I've done a number of Zoom meetings, and I just want to ask people, please reach out to my office. I'm available if you want to chat or just send me a message. Thank you.